Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, December 23rd. We continue with essays from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's is titled Being Easily Pleased. One key to knowing joy is being easily pleased. So many of us have been trained to think that being particular about what we want is indicative of good taste, and that not being satisfied unless our preferences are met is a sign of worldliness and sophistication. I remember being at a party where a woman wouldn't accept her drink unless it was made with a certain brand of vermouth. She was, in fact, indignant about it. Or I remember going to dinner with a colleague who had to have his steak prepared in a very complex and special way, as if this particular need to be different was his special public signature. Or I remember watching very intelligent men and women inscribe their circle of loneliness with criteria for companionship that no one could actually meet. I used to maintain such a standard of excellence around the sort of art I found acceptable. Often, this kind of discernment is seen as having high standards, when in actuality it is only a means of isolating ourselves from being touched by life, while rationalizing that we are more special than those who cannot meet our very demanding standards. The devastating truth is that excellence cannot hold you in the night. And as I learned when ill, being demanding or sophisticated won't help you survive. A person dying of thirst doesn't ask if the water has chlorine or if it was gathered in the foothills of France. Yet to be accepting of the life that comes our way doesn't mean denying its difficulties and disappointments. Rather, it means that joy can be found even in hardship, not by demanding that we be treated as special at every turn, but through accepting the demand of the sacred that we treat everything that comes our way as special. Still, we are taught to develop preferences as signs of importance and position. In fact, those who have no preferences, those who are accepting of whatever is placed before them, are often seen as simpletons or bumpkins. However, there is a profound innocence in the fact that sages and children alike are easily pleased with what each day gifts them. The further I awake into this life, the more I realize that God is everywhere, and that the extraordinary is waiting quietly beneath the skin of all that is ordinary. Light is in both the broken bottle and the diamond, and music is in both the flowing violin and the water dripping from the drainage pipe. Yes, God is under the porch as well as on top of the mountain, and joy is in both the front row and the bleachers, if we're willing to be where we are. I really love it. Such a profound truth. Well, for me. Anyway, let's do a little practice together. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Settle into your natural breath. See if you can find some spaciousness in it, allowing all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. And now take a moment to bring to mind a time when you were demanding or particular beyond the need to take good care of yourself. And as you remember the situation, reflect on what it was you were truly asking for by being so demanding. What was really behind your pickiness? Maybe you needed attention. So acknowledge that need right now with your next breath and give attention to whatever is near you right now. If back then it was the need to be seen as special, exhale that need now and see the things before you as special right now. If it was the need to be loved, release that need now and love whatever is in your path right now. Now bring your hands to your heart and with gratitude for the work you've just done, send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel protected, cared for, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And today, I invite you to enter your day by giving yourself what you truly need. And over time, feel the world return it to you. Enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.